Well, after 13 days, the prosecution has rested in the trial over the plot to kidnap Governor Whitmer.
Now to the big question, will any of the 4 men facing charges take the stand in their own defense?
All eyes will be on Daniel Harris of Lake Orion. He's the first to decide, and everyone will find out his decision first thing tomorrow morning.
7 Action News reporter Jim Kirstner at federal court in Grand Rapids with more on the important developments in the case and what happens next. Jim, fill us in.
Yeah, I can tell you the judge today denied defense motions to end this case, dropped the charges based on what they said was a lack of evidence. How the judge ruled on that in a minute with the jury out of the courtroom. And as you said, defense attorneys for the 4 men on trial had the opportunity to say whether they will take the stand. They didn't rule it out, even when asked by the judge. Ms. Kelly, is Mr. Harris going to testify?
I have no comment, thank you.
You don't have any other witnesses left, though, do you?
I have no comment. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
She was the first of the 4 to go in the defense phase, and several of her witnesses came to court saying they're taking the 5th against self-incrimination. That includes Stephen Robeson, who the feds say worked as an undercover informant, tipped off the men who were under investigation, and Robeson destroyed evidence. Judge was told Robeson could be charged with obstruction of justice. All were released from their subpoenas by the judge. The other 3 defenses will also go this week. Is your client going to testify?
That remains to be seen.
All 4 defenses asked the judge to dismiss the charges after the prosecution rested. The judge said the 2 who took plea deals, Ty Garvin and Caleb Franks, both from Metro Detroit, had the most salient evidence. They participated in the conspiracy. The rest of the evidence, undercover recordings, testimony from an informant, Dan, FBI undercover agents, Mark and Red, online chats. The men on trial wanted a baker, a bomb maker, crossed state lines for training, detonated a bomb. The evidence includes planning the kidnapping of the governor at her cabin in Elk Rapids. They were going to blow up her bridge to slow the police, kill any security that gets in the way. The judge ruling there was a common understanding or objective. There can be tactical disagreements or holes in the plan. The jury can consider all of those things. There's sufficient evidence on all the charges against all the defendants to carry the case forward. The essence of conspiracy is not a completion of the entire act itself, but simply a mutual understanding or agreement amongst the alleged co-conspirators, and then a forward step by at least one of them. And that's all. Now, we're going to have more from here next hour at 6. There was a threat made against this judge and the attorneys in the case here in Grand Rapids that came from Metro Detroit. The FBI in Detroit did a raid. What's their reaction on that? From here next hour at 6. Also, Brian and Glenda, a big day tomorrow morning. Will Daniel Harris from Lake Orion take the stand in his own defense? We will be here and bring that to you. Live in Grand Rapids, Jim Kirstner, 7 Action News.
Jim, great reporting all the way through on this trial so far. We will see you at 6. Glenda?
All right, Brian, now